sunshine and what should be a really nice summer day out there. Of course, yesterday it was 70s. Today it's 80s. You're probably not going to notice, again, a tremendous amount of humidity in the air. The cool spot will be the coastline with a sea breeze again today. The higher temperatures and humidity really start to build in tomorrow, and that will mean the start of 30% chances of scattered showers and storms each afternoon. The bottom line is, as we talk about scattered thunderstorms, when you have that 20 to 40% chance each day, not everyone's going to see them. As a matter of fact, you can almost look at it at 30% chance that 70% of the area is going to be totally bypassed. And that's kind of the way we go here. And it is very difficult to tell you just region by region. Now, we do have a haze out there this morning in places that didn't see heavy rain over the weekend. And that is still the pine pollen, still floating around, still an issue in quite a few areas until we get that heavier downpour. And again, scattered fashion with that downpour as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Still fairly comfortable today, but again, tomorrow it turns more humid, and this will likely be our first 2 to 4 day stretch of humidity that we have had so far this season. So this is going to take a little bit of adjustment for a lot of folks. While the numbers aren't going to read anything close to what we will see in July and August, you're only talking 85 to 90 for highs and that humidity in place. It is our first real chance to see that humidity for more than a day or two. A lot of sunshine out there today. We are looking at an area of high pressure still in control of our weather. Partial sunshine and increasing humidity tomorrow. This system will likely be just close enough to provide that 30% chance of an afternoon shower or storm tomorrow. Out ahead of that, we'll be in the 80s today, still fairly comfortable with dew points running this morning in the 40s to near 50. So again, this is a bargain for this time of year. Temperatures, yes, will be 5 to 7 degrees warmer than yesterday. That's where the uncomfortable feeling is going to be. It's not the humidity. And again, the haze is mainly pine pollen that we'll have out there. Highs today in the 80s will be between 85 and 90 tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. And those will be the days where dew points will be near or above 60 degrees. So you'll notice tomorrow, again, passing shower early or a thunderstorm later in the afternoon. You can see the coverage here. Not everyone's going to see those, and that will continue as a chance into Thursday afternoon. Not everyone's seeing them. And a front arrives later Friday. This looks to be timed out into Friday evening, and if the timing is right, that pulls away very early Saturday morning to sunshine, and then we get partly to mostly sunny skies into Sunday before the next front arrives Sunday night and into Monday. That looks like good timing as it stands right now, which is a lot better timing than we've had for the last 3 or 4 weekends. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, still the chance of a shower early Saturday morning. That should be it for the weekend. I realize Motorcycle Week starts this weekend.